In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check for updates in Microsoft Outlook. Keeping your applications up to date is crucial for ensuring smooth performance and access to the latest features. This is particularly true for Microsoft Outlook, where updates might include important security patches or enhanced functionality that can improve your email management experience. So let's dive in and learn how to make sure your Outlook is always current. First, you'll want to open the Microsoft Store on your device. This is the primary platform for downloading and updating apps on Windows devices, including Outlook. If you already have a shortcut for Microsoft Store on your desktop or taskbar, go ahead and click it. If not, you can find it by searching for Microsoft Store in the Start menu. Once you have the Microsoft Store open, the next step is to search for Microsoft Outlook. To do this, locate the search bar at the top right corner of the Microsoft Store window. Click on the search bar, type in Microsoft Outlook, and then press Enter on your keyboard. This will load a list of results associated with your search query. From the search results, identify the official Microsoft Outlook app. Be cautious and ensure you're selecting the correct application by checking for the official Microsoft logo or verifying that it's listed under Microsoft Corporation. Selecting the right application is essential to avoid any potential security risks from unofficial apps. Once you've identified the correct app, take a glance to see if there's an update button available. If so, simply click that button to start the updating process. Updates are typically straightforward and should only take a few moments depending on your internet connection speed. It's worth noting that Microsoft Store might also handle updates automatically without you having to intervene. By default, your apps should update in the background to ensure everything stays current. However, if automatic updates are disabled or if you're encountering an issue, this manual check is a useful step. While the update is downloading and installing, you can continue using your device as usual. After the update is complete, it's a good idea to reopen Microsoft Outlook to make sure everything is working as expected. This is your chance to explore any new features or enhancements that may have been introduced with the update. And there you have it. You've just ensured that your Microsoft Outlook is equipped with the latest updates. By repeating these steps periodically or checking your automatic update settings, you can keep your email application running efficiently and securely. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps streamline your Outlook update process.